Yo! What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. So, before we get into this unboxing, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And about that unbreakable shit, man. Like I said in the video, he admitted to the pine greens. It is what it is, but the court purples is still up for grabs, and I'm glad he confirmed that they are legit. Just because you're stitching, the lands on the swoosh does not mean that your shoes are fake. Stop listening to these people that don't know shit. Now look at everybody like, but damn D said, stop. Do your own research, man. It's called a factory flaw. But I'm not finna get all into that shit, man. You know, shout out to everybody, salute to everybody. What up? What's up to all my new subs? What's hood to all my new subs, man? Really appreciate y'all, man. Share the video, man. You know, let's get us to this 500 so I can do this giveaway, and probably at 1K, I might do another one, you know, just for some appreciation, man. Cause you know that's a big step in this YouTube game, man. Is getting to that 1K. No lie. And yes, we have I swear I thought I got these from fucking, I was moving fast as fuck. I thought I got these from Foot Action. I guess I got these from Foot Locker. What did they say? Yeah, I was moving fast as hell. I got these from Foot Locker. And these are the, I can't even pronounce these words because y'all know how Kanye and shit do this. But y'all know what Yeezy just dropped. The semi-frozen yellows, the Yeebras, whatever y'all want to call them, man. 350 box. Man, who know these goddamn words on here, bro? Cause I can't pronounce them. I ain't gonna lie. Kanye be with them freaky ass names like Nikes and shit, man. But bling, blow, burr on the shoes. Let me get that box out the way, boy. Hold up. Ooh, these motherfuckers right. Chill. Holla if you hear me. Hold up, I gotta fix this motherfucking camera. It's showing up too bright on here. Wow, man, I had to turn the whole fucking light off, man. These joints right here is like, fuck, like somebody really like highlighted this color in, like seriously. Like somebody really like put a highlighter to this. Let me see. Oh, it still ain't helping. Let me get out that full 360 look of the shoe all the way around. Damn, this light ain't doing this shit no justice. I guess it's like the best gum bottom. Get a look at that boost for all you boost inspectors. You feel me? Adidas logo right there as well. Let's get into the shoe, man. Man, I ain't even gonna lie. It was impossible to get these when they first came out. Impossible. Like, these were so hyped. The zebras were so, every Yeezy was so hyped. Like, I got the blue tints because they wasn't as hyped as like the rest of them was, but them was like the only ones I really wanted at first. So I ended up paying resale for the blue tints. But the zebras and these and the creams and like, man, all of that was just going for too much. But thanks to the re-release, man, Kanye said everybody shall have them. And now everybody mad because he doing what he said he was gonna do, you know? And you can't say the hype is dead because They sitting for a little bit, but they all selling out. So the hype ain't there unless they just sneak into the stores and pulling them off the shelf. But anyways, man, as you can see, you have that stitch, like all the rest of them, going all the way up through the, I want to say this the tongue. It gotta be kind of, I guess, yeah. You have that little spacing right there with the St. Pablo Loves You -350. You have the little 3 strike hints right there. And so you have Yeezy, Adidas symbol, logo, Adidas. You have that pull tab, stitching going right here. That little whatever, little, I don't know why they even do that shit, honestly. All gummed out bottom, boost on that thing. Yeah, man, honestly, man, everybody, like, come on, man. This shoe needs no intro. Everybody pretty much know what these are. You know, no lie. Everybody pretty much know what these are, man. These the McChickens, the whatever you want to call them. Everybody calling them McChickens because they look like the McChicken rapper. I don't care what they is. They McMines now. Yes, man. So glad to have these in the collection, man. Of Boost, of Yeezys, man. Now I almost feel like I gotta go back and get the Belugas and work my way to get the rest of them, man. Cause I got almost all of them. I mean, and them the re-release ones, it don't even matter, man. Just cop them. If you like them, if you wanted them back then, keep that same energy, keep them same vibes, man. But anyways, man, that's it for the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you like the content, man, share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.